It was a beautiful, sunny morning in Emma's colorful bedroom.
Look at my beautiful new red shoes!
Those shiny red shoes look very pretty on you, Emma. Emma carefully pushed her white socks into the shiny shoes.
Oh no, these shoes are very tight!
They look a little too small for your feet.
My toes feel squished because the shoes are tight.
Do not worry, I have a magical invention to help.
Leo walked into the bedroom, carrying a glowing wooden tool.
What is that glowing blue tool, Leo?
Please be very safe and careful with magic, Leo.
I will turn the gold dial to stretch the tight shoes perfectly.
Leo gently placed the magic stretcher on the shiny red shoes.
Magic dial, please stretch these tight shoes!
The wooden tool sparked with bright, safe blue magical light.
Wow, the shoes are changing shape!
The tiny red shoes instantly grew into giant red clown shoes.
These shoes are not tight anymore! They are too big and too loose for my little feet.
You look like a very funny clown, Emma.
Emma tried to walk across the fluffy white rug.
I have to walk very slow now.
Big, loose shoes make you walk slow.
The English opposite of tight is loose!
And the opposite of small is big.
I will spin the glowing gold dial the other way.
Leo spun the glowing dial fast to change the magic.
Magic stretcher, make this smaller!
Oh my goodness, they turned into solid gray stone!
Those stone shoes look very heavy.
I cannot lift my legs off the rug at all.
Solid stone is a very heavy material.
The shoes are too heavy for me to move.
Emma pulled hard, but her feet stayed safely on the floor. You are stuck on the ground because they are so heavy.
I cannot run fast in heavy stone shoes.
The opposite of fast is slow.
I am walking very slow like a turtle.
We need shoes that are light, not heavy.
Let me adjust the magic dial one more time. Make the shoes light and comfortable.
The heavy stone magically melted into shiny, translucent red rubber.
The shoes are turning into glowing red balloons.
Wow, balloons are very light. The red balloon shoes began to safely float up.
Look, Mom, I am floating up into the air. The English opposite of heavy is light.
And the opposite of down is up.
I am going up, and the rug is down below me.
Floating is fun, but you cannot walk to the park like this.
Let me help you find the perfect magic setting, Leo.
We need the dial exactly in the middle.
Mom and Leo turned the gold dial together very carefully. Not too big and not too small.
And not too heavy and not too light.
A warm golden light wrapped around the balloon shoes.
They are turning back into normal shiny leather.
The shoes settled perfectly onto Emma's feet.
They are not tight and they are not loose.
Do they feel good on your feet now?
They fit perfectly and they are very comfortable.
The magic stretcher worked flawlessly.
Now I can run fast instead of slow.
The happy family went outside to the bright, sunny backyard.
The green grass feels wonderful under my perfect shoes.
I will chase you across the yard.
Please run safely and stay where I can see you.
My new shoes are light and fast.
You are much faster than the heavy stone shoes.
And much safer than the floating balloon shoes.
Emma jumped up high and landed safely down on the grass.
Up and down, fast and slow.
Learning opposites is like a fun magic trick.
You two are very smart language learners.
Thank you for fixing my shoes, Leo.
You are welcome, little sister.
Let us review the important words we learned today.
When the shoes hurt, they were too tight.
The opposite of tight is loose.
The clown shoes were too big.
The opposite of big is small. The stone shoes were too heavy. The opposite of heavy is light.
The stone shoes made me walk slow.
The opposite of slow is fast.
The balloon shoes made me float up.
The opposite of up is down.
You did a fantastic job remembering all the words.
English opposites are very easy to learn.
Especially when you use a glowing magic dial.
Did you have fun learning with us today?
Tell us your favorite opposite word in the comments!
My favorite opposite is loud and quiet.
Practice speaking slowly and clearly every single day.
Thanks for watching our magical story!
See you next time at Learn English Central.